Red wine braised short ribs. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. Today we're diving into the world of comfort food with a classic. Red wine braised short ribs. Tender, flavorful, and perfect for those cozy nights in. Ingredients: 4 to 6 bone and short ribs, about 2 to 2.5 alms. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 3 medium carrots, chopped. 2 celery stalks, chopped. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 3 cups dry red wine, like Cabernet Sauvignon. 2 to 3 cups beef or chicken stock. 2 bay leaves. 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. All right, let's get started. Season the ribs. First, generously season your short ribs with salt and pepper on all sides. Sear the ribs. In a large Dutch oven or heavy pot, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the short ribs and sear until they're browned on all sides. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Saute the veggies. Once the ribs are browned, remove them and set them aside. In the same pot, add the onions, carrots, and celery. Saute until they're softened and slightly golden. Then stir in the garlic and tomato paste, cooking for another 2 minutes. Deglaze with wine. Now pour in the red wine, making sure to scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pot. Bring this to a boil and let it reduce by half. Return the ribs. Place the short ribs back into the pot. Add enough beef or chicken stock to nearly cover the ribs. Throw in the bay leaves, thyme, and rosemary. Braise. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 2.5 to 3 hours or until the ribs are fork tender. Serve. Once done, remove the ribs and strain the sauce if desired. Serve the ribs with the sauce poured over the top. They pair beautifully with mashed potatoes or creamy polenta. And there you have it, luscious, melt-in-your-mouth red wine braised short ribs. Perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself to a gourmet meal at home. That's absolutely divine. Thanks for joining me today. If you try this recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!